Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to dive into the code of conduct for judges in Pakistan, the set of guidelines for maintaining the integrity and impartiality of judiciary. We will explore the key principles outlined in the code, its legal implication, and how it shapes our judicial conduct in Pakistan. Key principle: the code of the conduct of judges in Pakistan outlines several key principles that judges must adhere to, included impartiality. Judges must remain impartial and avoid any kinds of appearance of biases in their decision. Integrity: judges are expected to uphold the highest standards of integrity and avoid any actions that could undermine the public confidence in judicial independence. Judges must maintain their independence for external influence and including public pressure and personal interest. Confidentiality: judges are required to maintain their confidentiality of the court proceedings and respect the privacy of all the parties involved. Accountability: the court uh, provides a legal framework for the accountability of the judges. Violation can lead to a disciplinary action. Public trust: adheres to court helps to maintain public trust in the judiciary. It ensures that a judge acts in the manner of fair and just and transparency. Judicial independence: the court protects the judicial independence by clearing the boundaries for acceptable behavior and interaction with external parties. The code of conduct of the judges is a part of broader effort to strengthen judiciary and to operate in an impartial way. It reflects the commitment that the Pakistani system wants to uphold the rule of law and protect the citizens. The Code of Conduct of Pakistan is a vital tool for maintaining the integrity and impartiality of the judiciary. By adhering to these principles, judges can ensure that they can act in a manner that uphold the trust and rule of law. Stay tuned to our channel for more in-depth legal analysis and judicial issues.